Every real HTML element genuinely is a box made of content, padding, border, and margin in that real nested order. In this video you'll see the real complete box model together. The real content area is 200 px, padding genuinely adds outside that, growing the actual total visible box size. The real border genuinely wraps around the padding, adding yet more to the actual total rendered size. Margin genuinely sits outside the border, real space that pushes other actual elements away, the complete, real box model. Every real element genuinely is content, padding, border, and margin nested. Padding and border genuinely add to an element's total real rendered size. Margin genuinely sits outside, pushing other real elements away. Calculate a real box's total width given its content, padding, and border values. Ready to compare the real outline property against border?